stronger winds have shifted into eastern Nebraska out ahead of a cold front, and that's where it's warmest this morning. Some places are still over 40 degrees. That front's going to come through the Tri-Cities here by about 9 o'clock or so, and our winds will become more northwesterly behind the front, gradually picking up later today. We start off with mostly sunny skies. We'll thicken up that cloud cover later on this afternoon. Wouldn't even be surprised if we maybe get a couple of sprinkles out of those clouds, but not really expecting any kind of measurable precipitation. A breezy northwesterly wind behind that front, 10 to 20 miles per hour, maybe up to 25 miles per hour in a couple of locations. As we get into tonight, those skies quickly clear up. The winds will die back. A little colder tonight, but not bad. 20s for overnight lows. And your Saturday shaping up to be pretty decent as well. Maybe a degree or two cooler out there for Saturday, but plenty of sunshine should make for a decent Saturday. And winds won't be too strong out there, about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Notice a cold front up near the South Dakota-Nebraska border towards the end of the day Saturday. That front is going to bring in some cooler conditions yet as we get towards Sunday and Monday. I'll show you that here in your 7-day forecast. How about today's high temperatures? We're going to be looking at temperatures today. Low to mid 40s up north. Again, those areas with that deepest snowpack struggling to warm. Wouldn't even be surprised if maybe Albion doesn't make it to 40 today. Out west, mostly low to mid 40s as well. Get a little more snow on the ground. Could be upper 40s there in Beaver City. And then again, as you progress southeastward, the temperatures get a little bit warmer for highs today. Upper 40s around the Tri-Cities, lower 50s in north central Kansas. We'll see those increasing clouds later this afternoon, maybe a few sprinkles. And to the east, we're looking at a breezy south wind, which will turn northwesterly behind that front. We'll see some warmer temperatures, low and mid 50s, even upper 50s there around Beatrice. But notice Columbus, 41 degrees, a little cooler there due to the extra snow that's still left on the ground. Mostly sunny until some of those clouds come in. Later on in the day. How about your next 7 days? Again, we're going to be looking at temperatures that will be cooling back a little bit today and tomorrow, but still nice for this time of the year. That second front has a little more chill to it on Sunday. It could also maybe bring a few flurries to the area, but very limited moisture over the next 7 days as we push into early next week. Monday, another cooler day with a near normal temperatures in the mid-30s, partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies out there. A nice little brief warm-up for your Tuesday. We get back into the lower 50s, a breezier south wind ahead of our next cold front. Now, the good news is the changes with the forecast models looks like it won't get quite as cold on the backside of that front. We're still looking at lower 40s on Wednesday, a little breezy behind the front, and then we're down into the 30s on Thursday, so maybe not the dramatic drop in temperatures I was expecting. It looks like that coldest Arctic air may stay just off to our north. Chances of snow looking very slim at this point. I took them out for the Tri-Cities for Wednesday. There's still a small chance up to the north of the Tri-Cities. Some models also hinting at some very light snow maybe late in the day on Thursday. I'm not confident enough in it to include it in my forecast there for Thursday yet, but we'll kind of figure that out as we get a little bit closer. Even though it is going to be not as cold as expected, but cooler by the end of next week, there are still some signs that eventually some colder air is going to come in sometime during that first week of February. So there you go. There is your forecast for this Friday. And until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. I hope you'll have a great weekend, and God bless.